but you a lucky nigga if my mean ass like ya. You ain't never have a bitch understand you.
What's up YouTube, it's me Desmarie back again with another video. As y'all can see by the title, today I'm going to be working with Kriyya hair. They sent me a frontal wig, 26 inch. It was body wave, but I washed it, so I'm gonna just flat on it. But first what we're gonna be doing is the ball cap method. Once you adjust the cap to your head, you're going to apply your lace glue, whatever lace glue, it don't matter, but you're going to apply a thin even layer across your head.
Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken.
I just sat under the dryer for about 10-20 minutes, but once it's all dry, you just gonna cut around your ears and cut as close as your forehead as you can, because you don't want no extra cap coming loose.
Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a...
For this part, you can use makeup or just regular tinting spray. I use this tinting spray that I got from this hair company. But yeah, I just spray a little bit on the cap and a little bit on the lace. I'm using WIG lace glue. I believe I put her stuff on every video. Every time I use her glue, I put it on the freaking screen. It's WIG_. That's her freaking Instagram. We're gonna buy her freaking lace glue. All I'm doing right here is just blow drying the perimeter of my head on dry, well not dry, hot and cool, and I'm waiting until it's like clear and tacky so I can lay the lace. All I'm doing is pulling the wig up as closest to the glue as I can. It's okay if you be having some parts still lifting, you could just go back in with the glue and you go take the comb and just press and blow dry, press and blow dry. So I'm gonna take my razor and just be cutting, you know. I use a razor because it gives it that zigzag motion without having to really go in a zigzag motion. Unlikely with scissors. In the scissors, you gotta go in a zigzag motion because they so straight. But yeah, just cut as close as you can to your forehead with the razor and don't cut yourself now, child.
Supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass, come through, come through, come through.
All I'm doing is part of my hair. Y'all can do a side part or a middle part. I'm doing a middle part, and I just put the rat tail comb in the middle of my head so I can make sure the middle part is really in the middle, because some of y'all middle parts be off and I don't like that. Right here I'm just sectioning off my baby hairs. I like to do straight neat lines across my forehead when I'm sectioning off my baby hairs, because I don't like my lace to look like it's got hair in between it. Like, I like to have that crisp line than my edges than my hair.
Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass when they come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass when they come through. Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do.
To get that real melted look, I go again with my Got to Be Glue spray and spray in between my baby hairs and the hair, and take my elastic band, put it right back around my head, and then let it lay. Then you about to curl and swoop your edges. I use a little curling flatter. I forgot that freaking part, and I already told y'all I don't know how to explain how to do my baby hairs. Just sit here and watch how I do the motherfuckers. Y'all gonna get the point.
Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass when they come through. Come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So fix no ass when they come through. Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken.
I just take this black strip and just let my edges lay and sit under the dryer. All I did was flat iron the hair, and this is the finished look, y'all. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned for my other videos. I'm gonna try to be more consistent because, like, I know y'all be wanting me to post. But bye.